Tapi nanti malam ya, karena kan kayaknya berat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, the most important thing, let us pray to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the Lord of the world, the Master of the day after, the Creator of everything in this universe. Because of His blessing, we can be able to attend to this event with a very good condition. And then, may peace and your upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from darkness to the brightness, who has led us into the right way of life. My name is Rizky Ramadhan from Al-Fityan School Aceh. Warm welcome to everyone gathered here today. The honorable judges and my beloved audiences. I'm here to do for a speech with the title Al-Quran, the Guidance of Human Being. Ladies and gentlemen, Al-Quran is more than just a book. It is made up of words which contain truth and guidance for every human being. The Muslims believe that these are words revealed directly by God to the last of His Prophet and messengers, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is the word of Allah, and it provides guidance for all of humanity. It also tells the purpose of life and the importance of repairing our relationship with Allah to worship. Al-Quran is an eternal miracle gifted to this ummah. It is a compass, offering an ocean of teachings and guidance for navigating life challenges. Al-Quran is a compass of our lives. Al-Quran is a life compass of our life. Al-Quran is a life compass of our lives, provide guidance on which direction we should follow, so that the goal of our lives as the Muslims, namely heaven, can be obtained in this afterlife. Al-Quran holds important role in Islam, serving as a comprehensive guide for belief, practice, and morality. It has integral role in shaping behavior and characters of Muslims. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala clearly states the importance of the Quran in our daily life as the Muslims in Surah Al-An'am verse 155. Means, this is a bliss book we have fulfilled, so follow it and be mindful of Allah, so you may be shown mercy. Ladies and gentlemen, there are many themes and ideas explored in the Quran, but the main ones include the oneness of God and the importance of worship and obedience to God. Second, the existence of an afterlife in the day of judgment. Third, the duration of the universe and all living things. Fourth, the role of the prophet and revelation in guiding humanity. And the last, it is about the consequences of good and evil actions. The teachings of the Quran, when implemented correctly and significantly in our daily life, prohibited negative behavior such as alcohol consumption, drug use, gambling, adultery, jealousy, greed, and even arrogance. It encouraged individuals from destructive habits and guide us to be respectful, conscious, and other positive characters. Ladies and gentlemen, in addition, Al-Quran provide guide.
Sisa ketik ke Al-Fityan. Sudah lama di Al-Fityan. Trik. Bisa kakak itu. Sisa Mimi. Kenal. Mimi Hafiza. Sekarang udah
In
jawab.
addition, Al-Quran is the national miracle gift to this ummah. So that we got
Tahun-tahun 2000 tsunami lah, tsunami atau tsunami gitu. Dulu pernah suasana itu. Ini udah pasti nggak bisa kirim karena bukannya gede.
I think that's all for my speech. I'm sorry if there's a mistake from me. I'm sorry if there's a mistake from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya Perwakilan Perwakilan dari siswa SMP IP Al-Fityan School Aceh.